Every piece of scrap wood has lived a life before it reaches us. Maybe it once held up a roof, framed a door, or sat quietly in a workshop corner. Its scratches, dents, and uneven edges are not imperfections, they are memories etched by time. When you run your hand across reclaimed wood, you can almost feel its story. Metal carries its own language too. Bent rods, old brackets, rusted plates and forgotten pipes, strong, silent witnesses to years of use. When wood and metal come together, something powerful happens. Warmth meets strength. Nature meets industry. Soft grain contrasts with solid steel. This balance is why reclaimed wood and metal decor feels so grounded, so honest, and so deeply appealing in modern homes. People don't just see an object, they feel a presence. They feel authenticity. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a space where creativity slows us down, where hands meet history, and where forgotten materials are given a second chance to shine. If you're new here, you're joining a community that believes beauty doesn't have to be new, expensive, or wasteful. Here, we believe the most meaningful decor is born from intention, patience, and imagination. Before we begin today's journey, take a quiet moment to subscribe to Kuki Decor, because we share inspiration like this every single day, stories, ideas, and transformations that turn scrap into style and creativity into opportunity. Today's story is called Reclaimed Refined, and it's about discovering how simple scrap, wood and metal often ignored, often discarded, can be transformed into sustainable home decor pieces that not only warm a space, but can also create real profit. This isn't just about decor. It's about seeing value where others see waste, about slowing down in a fast world, and about building something meaningful with your own hands. Upcycling is more than a trend, it's a mindset. It teaches us to slow consumption, to respect materials, and to see opportunity instead of waste. When you create sustainable decor, you're participating in a larger movement toward mindful living. And people are drawn to that. They want to support makers who care, who create with purpose, who build something real. Many small businesses begin exactly this way, with scraps, basic tools, and curiosity. One piece becomes two. One sale builds confidence. One idea becomes a brand. Consistency, refinement, and listening to your audience slowly turn passion into income. In a world overflowing with mass-produced items, sustainable decor stands out because it feels real. Today's homeowners and buyers are searching for more than decoration, they are searching for meaning. They want pieces that tell a story, that reflect their values, that align with a lifestyle of mindfulness and care for the planet. Sustainable home decor answers that desire. When you create with scrap, wood and metal, you reduce waste, preserve resources, and give materials a future instead of a landfill ending. But there's another truth many don't talk about openly. Reclaimed materials are often low cost or free, yet when thoughtfully designed, they carry a high perceived value. That difference between cost and value is where profit quietly lives. Scrap wood, especially, is full of possibilities. Short planks, broken boards, pallet pieces, offcuts that seem too small to matter, these are treasures in disguise. A few carefully selected pieces can become striking wall art, layered and arranged to highlight natural grain and texture. Uneven tones create depth. Knots become focal points. Cracks become character. Simple shelves made from reclaimed wood, paired with metal brackets, instantly elevate a room while staying practical. Small tabletop decor like trays, candle holders, plant stands, and risers are especially powerful because they are easy to reproduce, easy to sell, and loved by buyers who appreciate handmade warmth. With reclaimed wood, perfection is not the goal. Personality is. Metal brings structure and contrast to these creations. Old steel frames, rods, angles, and pipes can be cleaned, brushed, or left slightly raw to maintain their industrial soul. A simple welded stand can transform a piece of wood into a side table. A metal frame can turn scrap planks into a modern shelf system. Even small metal details, visible screws, brackets, handles add intention and strength to a design. You don't need expensive equipment or flawless finishes. Sometimes a matte black coating, a brushed texture, or even subtle rust tells a more compelling story than polished perfection. Buyers don't want factory-made shine, they want honesty. Designing reclaimed decor for profit doesn't mean sacrificing creativity. It means understanding balance. The most successful pieces are those that blend beauty with function, and artistry with repeatability. Wall decor, shelves, lighting fixtures, small furniture, and accent pieces consistently perform well because they fit into many homes and many styles: rustic, industrial, minimalist, modern. Pricing these pieces is not about counting screws or measuring scrap. It's about storytelling, craftsmanship, and presentation. When you explain that a piece was once discarded and now refined by hand, you're not selling wood and metal, you're selling transformation, intention, and sustainability. There is also something deeply emotional about working with reclaimed materials. You don't rush them. You adapt to their shape. You work with what exists instead of forcing something new. That process changes you as much as it changes the material. And that energy stays in the finished piece. People feel it when they bring handcrafted decor into their homes. They feel the warmth, the care, the patience. This emotional connection is what separates meaningful decor from disposable decor. And meaningful decor always holds value. Presentation plays a huge role in how reclaimed decor is perceived. Natural light brings out texture. Neutral backgrounds allow materials to speak. A simple styling plant, linen fabrics, soft shadows helps buyers imagine the piece in their own space. When someone can picture your creation in their home, you've already connected with them. Styling isn't about excess, it's about clarity. If this story is resonating with you, and if you're feeling inspired to look at scrap, wood and metal with new eyes, this is a perfect moment to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on notifications. We post daily inspiration to help you turn simple materials into beautiful, sustainable decor that truly matters. As we come toward the end of today's journey, remember this: refinement doesn't mean erasing the past. It means honoring it. Reclaimed materials don't need to be perfect to be valuable. They need intention, care, and vision. Whether you're creating for your own home or building something to sell, your hands have the power to turn waste into warmth and scraps into stories. Thank you for spending this quiet creative moment with Kuki Decor. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep seeing beauty where others don't. Until next time, may your work be meaningful, your spaces warm, and your creativity always refined.